Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you why there is too much data requested by Threads app. So let's get started. So here we can see the Thread app. So basically, it requires too much data because of when you will just load the app, it will load your photos and many other things on your app. So to minimize that, you can just go to the settings and you can request the Instagram to minimize or uh, to take lower data. Then it will uh, consume less data from your phone. So by this way you can just fix it, and it's an issue with the every phone. Okay, and if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.